Today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how understanding the questions that are going around in your potential client's head can help you make better marketing. So, first of all, I want to introduce you to a concept called the Dominic Question. So the Dominic Question is something that Jim Kwik, a brain trainer, has brought up. So he realized from working with mega successful businesses and people all over the world that we all have a question that goes in repeat around in our head that informs our behaviors. So in general life, this question could be, how can I get people to like me? Or why does everything always go wrong for me? And you can see how if that question repeated and repeated in your head, it would inform how you acted and your behaviors. So if we want to think of the Dominic question when it comes to copy, what I want you to think about is what is going on in your potential client's head? What question are they going to be asking again and again that you can address and help solve? So the different ways to unearth your client's Dominic question could be, what goes on in their head at 3 a.m? What keeps them up at night? What do they complain about to their partner over dinner? What do they long for? If you can think about what that question or statement might be in their head, then you can address it in your marketing copy. So for example, I know that one of my clients' Dominic questions is, why does writing for my business take so long? I know that that is a question that goes on and repeats and repeats in their head. And the behavior that that leads to is procrastination. They know that it's going to take them ages to write anything, so they just don't write anything at all. Because I know that, I know then that I can put out marketing content that helps making writing for their business quicker and easier. I can share copywriting frameworks with them. I can share little pieces of advice like the Dominic question. I can help them with copywriting frameworks, with copywriting formulas. I can help them with little tips and tricks of the trade that is going to make writing for their business quicker and easier, because I know the question that is repeating in their head is, why does writing take me so long? So I want you to think about what your client is potentially thinking about over and over again, and how you can create content and copy and marketing that helps address this question for them. Address your potential client's Dominic question, and it'll give you loads of inspiration for writing copy that is not only valuable, that is going to convert as well.